Once you've changed the student's password and ARMS, you are now ready to go over to Khan and sign in with Google. So you go to the khanacademy.org in a web browser, click on Sign in with Google. Another window is going to pop open. Here you're going to put in the student 8-digit number at docs.yourcharlotteschools.net, and then their new password, which would be their 3 letters of their school and their 8-digit number with the capital being at the first letter. Hit sign in. Once you've done that, you have to accept their agreement. And here, this is very important that you make sure that the students say allow. This is where you are allowing Google and Khan to talk to each other. So hit allow. And now you are at the dashboard and you have successfully logged in through Google into the Khan Academy website.